Alright, let's move on to drop swapping. Drop swapping is a huge part of the trap and dubstep scene. Drop swapping is where we play one track, but during the build-up, we play the build-up of another track, and before it drops, we swap them over. So before we get started, we need to know how long our build-ups are. In this case, they're both 8 bars. Okay, so to get started, we need to go and set a cue point on the drop that we want to mix in. We do so by using the jog wheel, moving it to the point where we want to set, and pressing the cue button like so. Now every time we press play, it'll start from that point. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to press play on this track, and once it hits the build-up, I'm going to press play on the track I'm mixing in. I'll be using the up faders in this case. Take note of the fader levels as I'm mixing. As you may have noticed, I cut the tracks over right before the pre-drop started. It gives that a little bit of a lull and gives it more impact when the track hits. Now, if you want to find out more about the gear you've seen today, check out pioneerdj.com. And if you want to find out more about DJing and music production, pointblankmusicschool.com.